Hello, my name is Lee and welcome to today's video tutorial. Today what we're going to be creating is an old book. Now the way that I do this is I first start off by creating a texture sheet. This is going to allow me to design the overall look of the book first. Then once I've done that, I'm going to bring the image into 3ds Max and assign it to a plane. Now what I'm going to do after that is I'm going to start to cut out the sections of the book piece by piece. So I'll cut out the cover, the binding, the pages, and so on. Then I'm going to use that once it's been cut out in order to align them together in order to create the book. So essentially I'm creating it as if it's a jigsaw type puzzle. Once the overall shape has been created in this manner, I can then attach everything and weld the vertexes. Once that's complete, I can then manipulate the shape and get a better overall look by changing the position of the vertexes and the position of the edges. Then I'm going to make a copy of that and I'm going to detach the cover, flip it over, and then I'm going to remodel the section so it looks as if the book is open. Once I got those two models, I'm going to then go to the UV editor and I'm going to align the UVs a little better. Now at this particular point, I'm not too interested in making sure that the UVs are perfect. I just want to get an overall feel. Then, once that's completed, I'm going to create a second set of UVs. These UVs are going to be used because I want to use an automatic unwrapping because the model is so simple, and this is going to give it its own unique UV space. Then, by going to the render to texture, I can then re-render the texture from the UV texture set 1 into the UV texture set 2. This will then allow me to import this into Substance, and then once we're inside Substance, what we can do is we can import the model and bring in the textures. Once the textures are in here, what we really want to do is use the Clone Stamp tool. The Clone Stamp tool is going to allow us to remove any of the imperfections. It's going to allow us to remove the smearing along the side of the book and also get rid of the seams. Now, once that's complete, I can basically go back and save the textures back out. Then I'm going to import them into Max, get them ready for rendering, and we are complete. So with that being said, if you like this tutorial, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for a tutorial you'd like to see in the future, please also leave them in the comments. Until then, please don't forget to subscribe and like and hit that bell notification. Until next time, I'd like to thank you for watching and bye bye.